Welcome to VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Did you know that in Microsoft Word, you can now create watermark? Yes, you can create documents with watermark. You heard it right. And it is completely accessible with screen readers. Hi, my name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. Warm welcome to our favorite YouTube channel, VI Tech Academy. We have made many videos about Microsoft Word with screen readers, Advanced Excel with screen readers, PowerPoint with screen readers, web development, and much more. Please scroll our playlist section and find your favorite videos to watch. We are also offering customized online training programs from basic to advanced computers, which includes MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, Google Tools, Outlook, web development, Python, WordPress, sound designing, and much more. For more details, visit our website from the About page of our official YouTube channel. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. If you wish, you can connect us on Facebook also. Follow us on Twitter, formerly X now, and LinkedIn. Links are given in the video description below. Join our WhatsApp Tech Forum for technical discussions. Guys, I have now opened one Microsoft Word.
Document 1.
It's a blank file. Now I can write whatever I want. And now I want to add one watermark. Watermark means something which is continuously protect your document from any unauthorized use. And this watermark can be anything like text or images. Both is possible. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a text watermark. The only difference is in image, you need to add the image file. So guys, without further delay, let me tell you about the steps. Step 1, open the Word, whether it is existing or new.
Blank.
Repeat. Step 1, open the document where you want to apply the watermark. Next, press Alt key to activate the ribbon dialog.
Ribbon tab control.
Press Alt key to activate the ribbon.
Document.
Press right arrow to find the Design tab.
Blank. Ribbon insert tab Alt. Draw tab Design tab Alt.
Press space to activate it.
Lower ribbon grouping Design group.
Press Ctrl right arrow to move group wise.
Page background grouping 2 of 2. Watermark collapsed Alt G PW 1 of 3.
So this is the place where you need to press enter to activate this dialog box.
Confidential grouping 1 of 4.
By default, you will get some text-based watermarks such as confidential. I'm pressing down arrow.
Do not copy 2 not selected.
Do not
4
copy.
Of 4. Disclaimers grouping 2 of 4.
Disclaimers.
1 sample 2 not selected
Sample
4 of 4.
2.
Urgent grouping 3 of 4.
Urgent.
ASAP 1 not urgent 2 not selected 4 of 4. More watermarks from office.com.
So from here you can choose more watermarks.
Custom watermark Alt G.
And this is what we need. Custom watermark. So I'm just pressing enter here.
Printed watermark dialog. No watermark radio button checked Alt
By
N.
default, no watermark is selected. Press down arrow.
Picture watermark radio button checked Alt
Picture.
plus I.
Let's say I'm choosing picture. I'm pressing tab.
Select picture button Alt plus P.
So here you need to select the picture. You need to choose the file.
Picture text watermark radio button.
Next
checked
is text, which currently I'm going to show you.
language combo box.
Language.
English, United States. Alt
So let
plus
me
L.
choose
Language combo box. Afrikaans. English. India.
English India.
Text edit Alt plus T selected ASAP.
And let's say here
Select blank.
I'm writing
This
this.
So
I'm
blank.
writing something like this. Sample watermark. Or I can write VI
VI
Tech Academy.
VI Tech Academy.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Font edit Alt plus F selected Calibri.
I can choose the font from this combo box.
Size edit Alt plus S selected auto.
I can select the size from here. By default, auto is selected, which is my recommended.
Printed watermark dialog. Font color black button.
Font color. From here we can choose the font color of the watermark text.
Semi-transparent checkbox checked Alt plus E.
You must check this box check semi-transparent. Otherwise, your text can be conflict with the watermark text.
Diagonal radio button checked Alt plus D.
Then I'm pressing tab again. Diagonal should be checked.
OK button.
And then click on OK button.
Document 1.
After that,
Document blank.
your watermark is added. Now, if you ask me where the watermark is, then the watermark is behind your main text, main document text. To check this, you can use any AI tools, but it is added. Now, if you want to remove that, you can still do that from the same watermark options. Go to Design tab and then you can remove that watermarks also. Now, if you ask me that, okay, I created that. Now, when I print this document, will this watermark will appear? No, by default it will not appear. For this, you need to do a small settings. Let me show you that. So, for that, go to File menu by pressing Alt F.
File.
Then press T for Options.
Word Options dialog. Word Options grouping.
And then from Category, go to Display.
Display 2 of 11.
Press Tab.
Page show doc always show spaces paragraph hidden text checkbox optional hyphens check object dash show all for printing options grouping print drawings created in Word checkbox checked Alt plus R.
So from here,
print background colors and images checkbox not checked Alt plus D.
Check this box check.
Check print hidden text checkbox not check update fields with update link OK cancel OK
and click on OK button.
Document 1 Word.
Now whenever you save this Word or export this as a PDF or print it, your watermark images or watermark text will also be printed or saved as PDF. This is how you can easily insert watermark to your documents. This is really useful. If you find this content useful, press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. If you have any doubts, questions, feel free to ask into the comment section. Subscribe to VI Tech Academy for more useful tutorials like this. That's it for now. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.